We have been selling a ton of these Mirka polishers and we've been getting a lot of feedback. People are really enjoying how smooth they are and how powerful they are. It's actually so powerful that if you're using a foam pad on it and you turn it up to the max speed, you can totally blow out the pad and make it completely useless. Additionally, if you don't know how to handle all that power, you can burn through your paint, which would require a repaint. So in this video, we're going to be talking about the speeds you should be using on this, the best ranges to keep in, and some troubleshooting on what you should do if you're not getting rotation or things like that. When you first get this polisher, you'll probably be tempted to turn it all the way up to speed setting 7 and just let it rip, but I highly advise you don't do that. We found that you really don't need anything over speed 3 or 4. Again, you run the risk of blowing out your foam pads or burning through the paint. The best thing you can do is to watch the pad, watch the way you're using it, and adjust your speed accordingly. I would recommend going with a speed 3, seeing if you're getting pad rotation. If you're not, first check whether the polisher is level, check if the pad is flat on the paint, check the other things before you decide to bump up the speed to speed 4. Like I said, the Mirka polisher is incredibly powerful and it's really good to have a lot of that extra power and ability. That way we know we're using a smaller percentage of its total ability. That being said, we wanted to make this video just to let you know that you don't need to use all of it. We would highly recommend that you don't use all of it. That way you can save some money on some pads and you do not blow through the paint on your car. You can pick up the Mirka polisher, pads, and everything else polishing at obsessedgarage.com. And if you have any questions, you can let us know down in the comments, or you can email support@obsessedgarage.com.